Hey, Resolve enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the art of transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Buckle up for a quick tutorial that'll have your clips seamlessly gliding together. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're on the Trim Edit button mode. Click the end of the first clip and the beginning of the next clip. Now head up to your timeline and click Add Transitions. If Trim Clips pops up, no worries, just click it. Congratulations! You've just added a smooth transition to your timeline. To control the transition duration, there are two simple ways. You can either drag the transition ends in the timeline, or for precision, right-click and adjust the transition duration in frames or seconds. It's that flexible. Now let's explore different transition styles. Click on the Inspector on the top right corner. Here we're already in transitions. Choose a transition type like Edge Wipe. Instantly you can control the angle, duration, and even add a feathered effect for a seamless blend. DaVinci Resolve comes packed with cool transition presets. To access them, head to the top left corner where it says Effects. Click on Video Transitions and hover over the options to preview. Whether it's Blur Dissolve or Cross Dissolve, pick the one that suits your project. And there you have it, effortlessly adding and customizing transitions in DaVinci Resolve.